Hello traders. Today I want to talk to you about why I am switching to 5000 tick charts trading NQ. And actually I've switched quite some time ago. I was just developing my algo for it and but today I want to show you some of the reasons why I'm switching to 5000 tick charts. So let's look at these charts. On the right side there's a 5 minute chart. On the left side there's a 5000 tick chart. Same day, same price action, same periods. So and first of all, see how many trend lines here. Here, then here, where there's only 3 trend lines on 5000 tick charts. And some traders choose to 2000 tick charts, some traders choose 8000 tick charts, some traders choose 15-minute charts. But it all really boils down to what you're comfortable with. But the thing is here is that there is a lot of it's much more cleaner on 5000 tick charts, and it's consistently like that. I've tested using this 5000 tick charts over very extensively, and you'll find out more information from this video. You also get a better follow through. Follow through I mean, if the bar reverses, like it's going up then reverses going down, then there is a much higher chance the next bar will be a bearish bar just to follow through versus uh, any any other tick charts or Renko charts or others that I have consistently that I have tested with algorithmic trading. So there is a much better follow through. If it reverses here, yeah, it jumps here a little bit, but then it goes down. If it reverses here, next bar, you pretty much can expect to have a follow through. This one didn't happen, but there is a trend line, okay? You wouldn't probably do that there. But just saying that there is a much, much better follow through on the 5000 tick charts NQ over a long period of time. So, there's less noise while still capturing nuances. Look, this is a 1 minute time frame. Here we have a retracement, right? But so it is here. But see how cleaner it is here versus here. Same thing when we're going down. It's much cleaner on a 5000 tick charts. If you're putting a 15-minute chart, you won't see any price. I mean, you will see obviously, but you won't see the price action necessarily because it'll be just too much. But in 5000 tick charts, you're able to capture nuances. And here's the thing: when you're trading discretionally, you know, you are looking at all kind of charts, and you're seeing the history, what happened before that. Everything is in front of you. But algos, they don't see that. You can make them, but uh, they don't see that they don't see as much as seeing the trader sees. So to compensate for that, I had to find one time frame that will allow me to capture nuances, capture price action, but without the need of going back and forth between all kind of charts. So that's where I stopped at 5000 tick charts. And like I said, it provided me with really, really great results over the period of time. So, and that's including indicators. Some people don't believe in indicators, and that's fine. But for algorithmic tradings, indicators are needed because that's another way why they are um, compensating for you to look at all kind of charts. But this indicator, let's say for this stochastics, by the way, is stochastics proven to be a really, really nice indicator on 5,000 tick charts. And if it's seemingly overbought area, you don't sell in overbought area, and you don't buy in oversold areas. You just wait it out, and you see the consistency on 5,000 tick charts as well. For example, look, if we are, we're chaining down. Would you want to buy here, like on this reversal? Look at this stochastic. Stochastic is really, really low. You would expect continuation, so you don't do that. No, would you? Uh, but when you have a price break here, I mean trend line break, your stochastics is over 50 level. That's showing your momentum to the upwards, so you're buying here. So versus, I've tested with other time frames. Uh, the indicators are just all over the place. They're not so consistently showing you where the market is actually truly having an upper momentum or a down momentum. So this 5,000 tick charts proves to be really, really nice. So there's a it's over the longer term. It provides much more consistency. And same thing for it. It provides you better take profits and stop losses. You know, most of my strategies they are like 1-to-1. It's just one bar, maybe 2 bar strategies. But you know, if you bought here, your stop loss would be at the bottom of that breakout bar. So you see how it took off. It barely, it didn't touch it here. Uh, but so yeah, it's 1-to-1. When if you're going long, then your stop loss would be low, bar low, and your take profit would be the amount that you're risking. So if you would enter here, your take profit would be somewhere here. So yeah, these take profits and stop losses are much more consistency. And typically, the that's why I chose to have this logical stop loss, not just fixed stop loss, 50 ticks, 100 ticks, but you want to have a logical place where your stop loss would be. And if I choose other time frames, and I've tried many time frames where I chose to, have one-on-one, oftentimes like a special on 1 minute, price knocks you out and goes in your direction. You get this much less on 5,000 tick charts, much less, because of the follow through. Remember that I told you? So, uh, and let me see if, yeah, here's it's outdated, but it's was until, so this test were ran from January till end of April on 5,000 tick charts, and there's a multiple strategies in here. There's like 4 strategies here, 3 strategies here, and there's about 10 strategies on Big Breaker. And look at this percent profitable. Look, there is a 70% profitable. Uh, I mean, the first section is because there was a contract rollover, so this was from January until March, and this second set was from March till April. Same thing here, January till April. Oops, sorry. Uh, January till March and March till April here, second set. So look at this percentage profit. We get 70% here. You get 72% here. You get 57% here. And you get 70% here. And look at the amount. These are not just one-off type of trades. This is a 56%, 56 trade sample. Here's a 48 sample. Here's a 41 total trades. Here's a 25 total trades. And look at the net profits. They're all profitable. So let me just reiterate that it's a clear intraday price action. There is enhanced significance of indicator levels. If stochastic shows you it's overbought or seemingly overbought, it probably is. There is enhanced importance of price levels, and overall there is a less trades and much more quality trades. And if we want to look um, at this at the graph at the chart, this 5,000 tick charts, it just overall it's much more cleaner uh, price action. This is May 14th. But yeah, that's how it looks. It's much more, there is much more follow through than in any other time frames that I've tested. And I'll be, there is a, I'll be releasing new big breaker Algo, new version of it. It's much more updated. There will be more better documentation to the trades because it's a suite of about 13, 14 trades. And the idea behind it is to only choose and pick up the most profitable trades over their time and just have them checked. And as soon as the setup occurs, most likely it will not occur. Each setup doesn't occur every day, that's for sure. But that's where you want to select many strategies and just patiently wait out until they arrive, and then you execute on that trade. I'll be running a special 50% discount for the next uh, 5 days, and I will update you with a big breaker algo shortly, today or tomorrow. Thanks for watching.